Are you a contractor struggling to stand out in the digital landscape? Discover the SEO foundations that can elevate your business to the top. Local SEO is your secret weapon. It's time to unlock its potential. Keyword research isn't just a task, it's the compass for your online journey. Content is king, and for contractors, it's the blueprint to success. Meet John, a contractor who transformed his web presence with these SEO strategies. John's challenge was visibility. His solution, a tailored SEO approach. By mastering local SEO, John's business now appears where it matters most. With the right keywords, John connects with clients who are searching for his expertise. Content marketing allowed John to share his knowledge, attracting more leads. The result, a surge in inquiries and a robust client base, thanks to SEO. Imagine your contractor business thriving, with clients reaching out every day. SEO is not just a strategy, it's the foundation of your digital success story. Take the first step today and build an online presence as strong as your workmanship. Join the ranks of contractors who are mastering SEO and securing their future.